Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today's very quick video is what a lot of you actually like, which is a great thing. So I'm glad I'm providing you with some information. So a lot of people like to watch what's in my flyers, but more specifically whether or not I received coupon inserts, and if so, which ones are they and what types of coupons are available. So I thought I'd upload one of those videos for you today. So again, these are my flyers and I'm gonna go and open them off camera and see if we received any coupons this time around. So I'll be right back. So here we have it. We, in fact, received some coupons. They are the red plum, which are one of my favorites. And you can see, if you'll focus, that the next edition will be on April 7th of 2018. If you haven't received this one, watch out for that date. So let's see what are in these coupons. Okay, so first of all, we have the Veleda save $3 and save $2 with the combined purchase of a Super Twist mop and with the purchase of an Oscar broom with dustpan. That's on the first page. The second page is, oh yes, one of my favorites. It's $1 off any, and you know the keyword is any, so it's not restricted to size, any Vim product. And usually you can get the Vim bottles, the smaller ones. Canadian Tire has them on sale quite frequently for like 99 cents. Or these Vim wipes, those go on for 99 cents or so. So potentially we have some free products, which is good. And let's see the expiry date. The expiry date is, here we go. The expiry date is August 30th. So awesome high value coupon in my opinion. Then we have some advertisement over here. Over here we have save $3 off whole blends with the purchase of any 2 whole blends products. Save $2 off with the purchase of any whole blends treatment. And then we have some Garnier Olia, $3 off, and another $3 off. We have some advertisement. $6 off on the purchase of any 1 bag of Pedigree Vitality dry food. Has to be a 10.4 kilogram to 20 kilogram bag. But potentially these go on sale, so it's a nice savings there. Some more advertisement. We have save $1 off the new Oikos mix. Right there. Some more advertisement. The usual save $4 off of any Zack's Original Dark Spot or Dark Circle Eye Cream or Scar Cream. Some more advertisement. And the last but not least is buy 2 Uncle Ben's Bistro Express, get 1 free. So this one here is good as well, because these quite regularly go on sale. But my favorite as of now is the Vim. So yeah, guys, so that is what was in my coupon inserts this week. Sorry, it's been a little bit blurry. I don't know why. I have to play around with my camera here. So anyways, let me know down below if you got this insert. If not, again, stay tuned for the April 7th edition. Keep an eye out for that. And yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, I'll talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone!